Women wear makeup to impress men. First of all, if I'm wearing makeup to impress anyone, it's to impress women. Because a girl coming up to you and telling you your makeup looks good, literally the best compliment ever.
Give it some!
Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. I hope you do enjoy this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit the subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So quick check-in, it's actually Tuesday the 26th of April now. Mr. Poochies. Yesterday was Anzac Day here, so we really didn't do too much. Morgan went to work and, I did a few things around the house and stuff. There was a bit of a storm last night and we've got a storm again tonight, so we're taking this opportunity to wear our hoodies whilst we can. But yeah, I thought I'd do a quick check-in and do my intro for the vlog. So far, nothing interesting. Hey guys, a quick check-in. It is Wednesday 27th of April right now. It is 3:30 in the afternoon. Sorry, my hand keeps sitting on top of it. My little phone case thingy that I've got in my car to hold my phone to film is a little bit broken, so I try not to use it unless I'm driving. But I have just walked up to the chiropractor. It is bucketing down outside, so I'm waiting for it to slow down a little bit more, and then actually I think it's slowed down now. Yeah, it is. So I'll end this really quickly so I can run into my appointment. But I'm going to the chiropractor for the very first time. I've never been before. I'm super nervous, super anxious, scared. Don't know what's gonna happen, but we're gonna see if they can help with my back and hip issues from my endo, see if there's anything that they can do. And I also have been having really bad upper neck and shoulder pain. I'm assuming from the doctors have done scans and stuff, and they said that my neck is starting to curve, and it's probably from my chest, from carrying my chest for so many years. And wearing incorrect bras to hold my chest. So yeah, hopefully they can help me with that as well, because I've started getting Hunchback of Notre Dame back. So yeah, they're gonna hopefully see what they can do, so I'll let you know when I come out. Hey guys, so it has now been 2 hours since I first went in. I have just left. So the first appointment is a long appointment, he said, so that was okay with me. I didn't mind that I was there for ages. So basically he's felt something in my lower left side of my back. He's like, whoa, there's something there, and I haven't even had to do an x-ray. I can feel that straight up. So he said, and I've told him all about my endo and everything like that. Sorry, my phone was falling. So I've told him all about my endo and everything, and he's like, no, this isn't from endo. There's something going on in your lower left side of your back. So yeah, he was like, I have to get x-rays. He wasn't able to tell me anything today. Unfortunately, he's booked out tomorrow as well, so they do x-rays on site, but you don't get the findings straight away. So he'll get the findings tomorrow morning apparently, but he was booked out tomorrow most of the morning, so I have to go back on Monday now. This bloody thing keeps falling. So I have to go back on Monday morning. I mean Monday afternoon now. I think it was 2 p.m. or 2:15 or something like that. That I will go back for the findings, and then I think from then onwards is when he'll from that appointment he'll tell me what the plan is and what we'll be doing moving forward. Hey guys, bad. She's got her little phone holder in a different spot than me. It is a Thursday the 28th of April right now. It is 9 a.m. in the morning. We're just taking the mother-in-law's car. She needs new tires, but she's working, so we're taking it to get done. It's raining today, so Morgan's not at work. So we've got a few errands to run this morning, or today. We'll have to go back and pick up the car again once all the tires are on. But yeah, that's pretty much it, I think, for what we're doing today, but I'm sure I will check in later if I have anything interesting. But I'll chat to you guys later. Bye guys. Hey guys, quick check-in. I have had an outfit change, but it is still the same day. So we're just off to pick up Morgan's mum's car now. So she's had her tyres done, then we went and dropped it off to get her brakes done. So her brakes are done now, so picking that up. Then we're gonna go chill at her house for 45 minutes or so. Then we need to drop my car off because we spoke to them about my tyres, and turns out I need new tyres too. So it turns out the people that sold me my tyres sold me tyres that were already 4 years old. So my tyres are now almost 8 years old. So yeah, that probably be the reason why my car keeps slipping on wet roads and stuff. So we're getting my tyres done too, better to be safe than sorry. Pretty annoyed that I brought tyres that were meant to be brand new and they were already really old. But can't do anything about it. It was years ago now. So yeah, we're off to do that. And then once my car's done, we'll go back to Morgan's mum's house and pick up Bobby. He's got the dogs getting groomed tomorrow. So yeah, it's first thing in the morning, so Bobby's gonna stay over tonight. But yeah, that's what we're doing now. It's just been a busy day of running errands, been to the bank, been to the post office, been to the tyre place, the brake place, going back to the brake place. I'm gonna get a coffee on the way as well. Anyways, thought I would do a check-in, and yeah, that's it. We will chat to you later. Bye.
If the men find out we can shapeshift, they're going to tell the church.
Take me to church, I was like a dog in the shine of your light. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife.
Hey guys, quick check-in. It is a Friday the 29th of April right now. It's currently 9 a.m. It just hit 9 a.m. in the morning. I am wearing the same jumper from yesterday, I know. I'll be going home shortly to have a shower and put on different clothes for the day. But I had to drop the dogs off at the groomers this morning, all 4 of them at 8 a.m. And now I'm just following Morgan back to the hire place to drop the hire car off, because he should be getting his new car today. Fingers crossed. We really hope he does, because the hire place needs the ute back, needs new tyres and needs a service and everything. We've had it for 7 months now, or 6.5 I think it was. So yeah, it's due for a service and tyres and everything, so he can't extend any longer, so they needed it back by 11 a.m. this morning. So yeah, whilst the dogs are at the groomers, we thought we might as well just dash off and drop off the car, because the car isn't like in our suburb, it's in a different suburb, it's near Tina. So yeah, we're gonna go drop it off and then we'll come back home and hopefully pick up the fur kids, and they'll be all nice freshly groomed. Outfit change number 2, same outfit from yesterday. Still haven't showered, but we just got the dogs back, and I thought I would show you what Oliver looks like all grown up now. Doesn't look like a puppy anymore, and he looks a bit funny, but let me show you. Hi Bobby, hi Ollie. You don't look like a puppy anymore. Where's all your fur gone? Bobby! Yes, Bobby has blood on him. It's from Morgan's leg. He just, what Evie's licking, he just rubbed up against that. Evie! Leave Daddy's leg alone. And Macy is up there suckling. Yeah, that's what they look like, all clean and groomed. Hey guys! So it is T-minus 45 minutes, 46 minutes to be exact, until Morgan gets his new car. Exciting times. I just did a little bit of basic makeup, just so that if we take pictures pictures that I don't look terrible, don't look like a bum. Morgan didn't bother dressing up, he's just like, whatever.
Just a cat.
We're just going to drop Bobby off first. There he is. We're going to drop him off at Tina's first, and then we pick up the car. So exciting times. Very excited. Are you excited yet? Are you nervous now?
Yeah.
You're nervous? I'm excited, but I'm nervous as well, so.
It's a lot of money.
Yeah.
Fortune. Small fortune.
Small fortune, I know. We really wanted to get a house first before getting any cars, but with the market at the moment, we just haven't been able to get a house. So
Too expensive.
yeah, it's way too expensive as well. And with Morgan's car breaking down, it became like a necessity. He needs a car to be able to work, to be able to earn money, to be able to pay for a mortgage. So car came first instead of a house then. But yeah, we will chat to you when we get there. I'll add in some footage of picking it up, but I will chat to you guys later. You say bye.
See you later.
Bye guys. Everyone's barking. Look at his butthole.
Evie's like going outside the bar.
Yeah, she thinks that he's barking at something outside. Really, he just doesn't like Francois.
Please don't fight her. You'll get precious. You'll get precious.
What's wrong, Oliver? What is it? Oh yeah. No, I actually don't struggle with anxiety. It comes quite easily to me. Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Saturday, 30th of April. It's currently 6:30 p.m. I'm just cooking dinner. I'm just doing basic chicken and veg for dinner. I'm in a lot of pain at the moment. Yesterday I did a lot, and then today I did a lot. So yeah, yesterday you saw that we got Morgan's new car. We ended up actually going for like a night drive and everything just to try it out at night time, and then came home, and then I couldn't sleep last night, and I've only got a small amount of my meds left, so I'm like scared to take them unless I actually need them to help me sleep. So yeah, I didn't take one thinking that I would just get to sleep eventually. I didn't. So I was really knackered this morning, and I had a house inspection today, so that's a lot of why I've been running around and doing heaps of stuff at home. So yeah, we had a house inspection. Thankfully it went really well. Thankfully the lady was really nice. So yeah, that was grateful. The mother-in-law was here. She was picking up Oliver, and we ended up deciding to go furniture shopping for her. She's just looking for like a tall boy type thing. So yeah, we went furniture shopping. We also went out for lunch. I think I entered a video of the pancakes that I had. But yeah, then we went furniture shopping after lunch, and we didn't get home until like 4:30. Sorry, a bit exhausted. We did have to pick up a cake on the way because we're going to see our friends tomorrow, and one of our friends, it's his birthday on Monday, so we're celebrating a day early with them. So yeah, it's been a busy day today. I think I'm gonna have to have some meds. I've had lots of pain meds right now, so if I sound a little bit off, that is probably why. They do make me a little bit off with the fairies every now and then, but that's a way it can help me sleep.
So just remember, if you're on fire, stop, drop, and roll. One more time. Say it with me now.
Stop, drop, and roll. Do that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hooray! Hip hooray!
Say hi to YouTube. Hi. The lipstick's all wearing this.
Don't worry about it, I'll pay it. And I said, text him and said, oh, sorry.
Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Sunday the 1st of May. It's actually 5:30 right now. We're just on our way home. We went and seen our friends in the country and spent the day there. Sorry, hiccuped. Spent the day there, had a late lunch, early dinner, cooked a lamb roast for us, so that was nice. And celebrated Joel's birthday. So yeah, that was good. The fur kids had lots of fun running around because they are on 5 acres, so they always love to go there and run around. Got to see the kids. We haven't seen them since December, so Boxing Day. So it's good to see them again. And yeah, I got to drive Morgan's new car for the very first time today. I got to drive there, and now he's driving home. Obviously, you can see him driving. But yeah, I got to drive there, which was so exciting, but I had the first crash in his car. I hit a bird. I was so devastated. It was like Angry Birds with the whole like feathers going everywhere. I was so upset. I'm like, I can't believe I just did that. I can't believe that I've either injured or killed a bird. Devastated. But there's like not even a mark on his car, so thank goodness for that. But still devastating. Still. But yeah, we had a really nice day. So yeah, now we're heading home, and then we're just gonna chill out for the rest of the night. So I'm going to end off this week's vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching.